We may take your seats and try to nearly to your chairs properly and pick up those pieces of paper under your chairs. So, do we have an absent today? Yes! So, we very amazing na. So, before we start our discussion now, I have here some of the master rules that each and every one of you should follow. So, class, please read our master rules. Listen carefully. Pay attention to the teacher. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Be friendly to everyone. So, bago matapos ang ating aralin, kailangan masunod ang ating classroom rules. So, before we proceed to our discussion now to our lesson, review tayo sa past lesson. What is the topic all about yesterday? Any hands? Darlene. Sa kultura. Kultura. Okay, sino pa? Ivy. Tungkol sa kultura. Okay. For now, I will give you an activity. For the grade 4, I will be giving to you the jumbled parts of the pictures of an animals to form the animals. So, I am here. I will give you 2 minutes to arrange the jumbled parts of the pictures for the animals. So, this is the group 1 and this is the group 2. And for the grade 3, I will show a video and all you have to do is watch and listen carefully to the video. And after that, I will ask some questions that is related to the video.
Animal habitats. For today, we will learn about the habitats
And grade 4 is the video of animal
of animals. So, friends, where do you live? That's right, you live in houses. You live at home. But what about other animals? Where do they live? Every living animal needs a place to live, and also food and water. Just like how you live in houses, animals also have a place that they like to call home. Different animals live in different places. So, an animal's home is called habitats.
What do you call the animal?
Let's say it again together, friends. Animal's home is called habitats. Let's say it together one more time. Animal's home is called habitats. Good job! There are animals that live underwater and animals that live on land. fishes live in water. Some fishes live in the sea by the beach. So friends, what habitats do fishes live in? Spot on! They live in the sea. Let's name together a few animals that live in the sea. The sea is a habitat for crabs, starfish, turtles, and seahorses. The animals around us that live on land usually are animals that live in the forest. So friends, the forest is animals' habitat. Good job! Now let's name together a few animals that live in the forest. The forest is the habitat of monkeys, raccoons, snakes. We would like if you enjoyed it.
So grade B, tatanong ako sa inyo mamaya ng mga grade 4. So grade 4, are you done answering your activity? Yes. So, ano doon, yung picture is the what we call fish and the so palagay nyo, saan naninirahan ang mga animals na ito? Water. So, what do you think would be our topic for today? Animals that live in the water. Okay. Teacher, balik na ako. Sorry. Lecture yung po na ito. And then, after that, i-discuss ko ito sa inyo na isa-isa. Okay. And, get your notebook and write it down. Based on the video na nag-show to you kanina, tungkol saan ang video na napanood nyo. Learning about to sa animal habitat. So, the animal habitat. So, our lesson for today is all about this need. Grouping of animals based on where they live. So, for the objectives, identify the animals based on where they live. Activate a group of animals based on where they live. Practice cooperation and group activities. So, land animals live on land molecules speak to walk. So, gumagamit sila ng paa para makapaglakad, mga takbo, and also the body control and free supply. Ang umaga pa naman, lumalipad. So, under ng land, we have the what we call is sinabi kanina ni Rita. Forest. Yes. Forest. So please read. Forest. The example of animals living in the forest are the birds, monkey, giraffe, elephant, and deer. Have you seen a bird in the forest? Yes. A monkey? Yes. With a giraffe? No. So, the animals that live in the forest are the birds, monkey, giraffe, chipmunk, elephant, and deer. So, ano yung makikita natin sa forest? Rita! Snake! Ano pa? Eagles ka. Birds yun. So, ayun, here's some picture ng mga nila. Ang meeting forest. Pwede na. Yes, ma'am. Mapangalay. Dapat ayun kayo ang tinatawag natin ang deer. Nakakita sa green forest. And then we have the Wendy, what do we call these animals? Wendy. Monkey ko yan dyan. Crazy. Monkey. And then, we have the animal. Right? Birds. So, the next one we have is the farm. It includes the animals like cow, carabao, goat, pig, duck, and chicken. What is goat? Goat and goat for your goat. Chico. So we have an animal. Yes. So familiar na kayo dito, di ba, sa kawan ng Marlo? Pero lang natin may salan kasi doon siya pwede buhay at makahanap ng kumakain. So, for the pig, duck, and chicken, meron din ito sa atin. Harapan ng bahay. So, the next one is the garden. It includes the worm, beetle, grasshopper, butterfly, and spider. So, I'm providing you the pictures of the animals that live in the garden. So, ano yung mga ito? Caterpillar. Bee. Basahin nyo. Snake. Grasshopper. Oh, in your garden, ano yung animals na nakikita nyo? Please read. Excavating, copying, small, fish, grandma, the fish, the heel, lie, accessory, heel. So, karaniwan, ano nakikita mo sa ilog na meron? Ilog. Ano pa? Mga okay, very good. So in the salty water, animals that live in salty water are the whale, shark, ray, jellyfish, starfish, and crayfish. So, ang samahan ng whale ay ang shark. So we have also the land and water. The animals which live in both and land and water are called amphibians. Ito yung mga animals na pwede manirahan sa tubig at sa lupa. So magbigay ng example ng hayop na naninirahan sa tubig at sa lupa. Lorelyn, turtle po. Yes, very good. Pika, frog. Yes. Ano pa? Snake. Snake. Ano pa? Yes. Alligator. Okay. Crocodile. All of your answers are correct here in the land and water. So, and they experience a larger stage while they breathe in the lungs also. So, for the habitat, what are the types of habitat we have? Land and water. So, under the land, we have the forest, and then for the water, fresh water, salty water, and water. So, ang tanong mo, why is it important for the animals to have their own habitat? To find their mate. They feel Jonathan. No, sir. Ano po, para makahanap ng yeah, Baby Joy. They need habitats to build why is it important for the animals to have their own habitat?
Wednesday.
Para mabuhay sila. Kailangan ng hayop ng habitat para sila ay maprotektahan at mabuhay ng gusto nila. So I have here some activity that we are going to do. I will group you into two and round 1 and 2. 1 to 2. 1. Start from the lahat. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. Sino group 1? Ang nananalang si Nicole. Okay, one for the group. Tayo muna ang lahat. Shake your hands 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for two groups and then you will answer this activity. Yun na ang malit mo kasi. Dito. So, what words we have here is the gills. So, please read Betsy.
Gills. Fish have gills to breathe underwater.
So, meron ang isa ng gills to breathe underwater. Ito yung paraan nila or meron sila para sila yung hinga nila ng tubig. So, here is example of gills. So, sa tao, ang tao ay Nakatulong sa isda para makagalaw ng ayos sa ilalim ng tubig. Ito yung nandito sa kanilang katawan na sa gilid ng katawan. So, kanina po na natin kayo natin na So, also we have these fish. And then, fish are covered with scales for protection from disease, injuries, and attacks from other animals. So, it is arranged from the head papunta sa tail. So, as the water swims smoothly, nakakabog sila ng ayos sa tubig. So, kahit saan sila laway ng direksyon, sa mga direksyon sila maglawin, makakalaw sila ng ayos. So, yung scale na rin ngayon ay protection nila para hindi sila makapitan or nakuha ng disease. So, ano yung kanina natin? Kailangan na body parts at fish? So, also we have the shells or exoskeleton. These three items ribs, lungs, muscles, skeletons, nerves. Yung tinatawag na mga shells, ano yun? Is protection from the body. So, meron sila nito, para hindi sila kahit sa fish may scale, kagaya na crab, meron silang exoskeleton para hindi sila makakuha ng isang disease. So, sa tao, ano ang protection ng tao? Para hindi makapitan ng disease. So, we have the skin. So, what are the body parts of animals we have that they look up? Yes. So, what is gills? Ano ang gills ng fish? Tina. Yes, very good. About the fins. Wensi.
James helps the fish to swim.
Yes, and I think yes, okay. And the last one, Dana. Ano ba yung isa? Exoskeleton. What is it? Okay. And for that, we will have a group activity. All you have to do is this ring. Read each box carefully. Subject.
Correct uses of each body part.
So get a standard sheet of paper and the answer there. Daisy. Read clearly that. No.